G'day, how you going? So I'm going to take my bazooka out and I'm going to go try and do some birding. It's my first time out with it. I did some moonshots, but I thought I'd want to also test it out. It's brand new, so I got it replaced, and I'm going to try. There's some birds over here. You can see there. I don't know what the hell that is. Looks like they've set up birds. But there's another hide down here that I found. I'm at Olympic Park in Sydney, and I'm going to try. There's some like a hide, you know, where you hide. That's why they call it a hide. Hey Jerry, hey Jerry, hey, we're going to go check out the birds. All right, let's go walk over there. Try not to get run over. Where we're walking to, there's a river over here, and not one bird yet. I haven't seen one bird. Hey Jerry, we've got to find the birds. Jerry's always sniffing. So I've got my Jerry. What's this, Jerry? Aw, Jerry. What's this bullshit? Dogs not permitted. Yes, I know, Jerry. Wildlife protected area, cats and dogs prohibited. Olympic Park, Sydney Park, blah, blah, blah. This is bullshit. Jerry. Why can't we go, Jerry? You're not allowed. Jerry. Hey, we're not allowed, Jerry. Let's just have a sneak peek anyway. Who's going to know? Just quickly, Jerry. We'll sneak in and we'll have a look. Dog's on a lead here. Jerry, we can go into this one. I don't know, it's not the bird hide. Ah, sugar. Jerry, I lost my shoe. Yeah, so that's unfortunate. Hey Jerry, hang on, my shoe, Jerry. That's the world we live in, Jerry. You're considered a dangerous species, Jerry, and you're a threat to the wildlife. Jerry's a threat to the wildlife. What a joke. Yeah, I'll come back to that. Like, it's a proper hide, you know, like a proper place where you know, probably even got like, you know, chairs and stuff in there. Jerry, there's nothing here, Jerry. Hey, nothing here, Jerry. Ah, Jerry. Here's a nice shot, but I've got my 400mm. What's the point? I guess I could go back to 100mm. I got my Pro 12-40 lens. I like that shot there. What I'll do a screen grab. Ready? Frame it up. This is in 2K, so it's around 4 megapixels. Photo. Screen grab. It's a new video I've been thinking about. Hey Jerry, about why do we even need cameras anymore? We can just screen grab our 4K footage. It's a little concept that's I've been thinking about when Jerry became a photographer. She got her new camera, this camera here that I've got on my chest, the Instago 360, and it's in 2K, which is good. A 4K, I heard that 4K gives you about 8 megapixels per screen grab for photo. Because you remember what a movie is just a shitload of frames per second photos. You know, like everyone knows that. And what we can do there, just screen grab it. So, and I was thinking, I might save that for my next video. Jerry, what's this? This is the historic tour that King Arthur was buried under. Might be some vantage points. The day might be saved, Jerry, with the old bazooka. Be careful, Jerry, there's bikes. Yes, I know. Man, how long does this bloody thing spiral? Okay, the closer we get to the top, Jerry, the faster it is. It's the corkscrew principle, and here we are. We're at the top of the corkscrew, Jerry. Top of the tour. Top of the tour, Jerry. Tippy tour. Oh yeah. That's the Sydney Olympic Stadium, year 2000. Jerry, be careful. Jerry, you stay here. You be careful, Jerry, you stay here. Okay, so I've got it on C1. C1 is my stills scenario. So it's normal shutter and single point autofocus. And I had it on center weighted metering, but that's for birds. And I can't go to birds because Jerry is a wild, savage animal. Hey, Jerry. Anyway, it's probably not the best idea to bring a dog with you when you go birding. Let's go back. Let's try that one more spot and then we'll call it a day. Well, even if there's some birds right there. Mayans, they're the ugly Mayans. No thanks. They're in my backyard, pain in the ass. They keep coming into the house through Jerry's doggy door and shitting all over my couch. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, it's not a complete waste of time. Just getting out into the fresh air and getting out in nature with a bit of a walk. Better than nothing. Come on. Anyway, maybe I'll turn this episode into archery. Here's an archery. Oh, Jerry, careful. An archery field. What do you think, Jerry? How the hell am I going to label this video and thumbnail? Sorry, Jerry. This way. You ready? I don't know. Are you allowed to take shots of people shooting archery? Probably not. So what I might do, I might test out pro capture or high sequential shutter speed to catch the arrow coming out. Bit of fun. Alright, now it's starting to rain. Good thing I've got Olympus with me. Okay, I've gone from bird photography to King Arthur Mount Tor to archery, BMX Bandits now. Maybe I'll try BMX photography, Jerry. What do you think? We'll try that? I don't know what the hell I'm doing today. Track closed. Alright, Jerry, let's go. Okay, so today has turned out to be a scouting adventure for places that I can't take photos at.